In the previous section, we improved the user experience by using dialogues, a loader, and a contact us form. Welcome to the final section of the course. We will be wrapping up with a series of 4 shorter videos, which will allow us to create a single artist view, and will touch points such as styling the app, navigation with params, the use of iron slides, and creating a pipe, which is a way to transform data in the template. Let's get started with some styling. The app looks nice, but it's rare that the default Ionic colors match your client's corporate colors. So let's look into theming globally, platform-specific, and view-specific. Ionic uses SASS SCSS files. SASS allows to define variables, which can then be reused in other parts of the app. So the first thing we're going to do is change some variables that were defined by Ionic. And that should be done in app.variables.scss. As you can see, the main colors of the app are defined there, so let's change the primary color, which is used on the buttons and alert buttons as well. As you can see, it changes the menu and filter icons, and the alert text colors too. Now, colors were already defined in this file, but what about other variables? Well, there's a huge list of variables that Ionic uses at this link. Let me just look at a couple of them. I think our navbar should have a nicer color, so let's override $toolbar-background to be this coral color. And the menu probably doesn't need to be this wide, so we can set $menu-width to 150 pixel. And here's the result. Right now, those 2 variables are affecting both Android and iOS. What if we wanted something different on either platform? Well, that's what we have the app.ios and app.md files for. In app.ios, we will override an iOS-specific variable, $searchbar iOS background color, and set it to the color found in the command here using RGBA. In a similar way, if we want something for Android only, in app.md.scss, we can set, for example, searchbar-md-input background color to that same color. This is great because users of iOS and Android do have different expectations in terms of UI. Finally, if we want to override things inside a specific page, let's say search, we can go into the corresponding search.scss file and maybe change the color of the text inside items, which have an item class, and change with this color. As you can see, the color changes inside search, but not in settings, even though the radio buttons also have the item class. So this gives us an overview of what can be achieved in terms of styling at the app level, platform-centric, and on each page separately.